Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if your DEKCO camera is not connecting to Wi-Fi, this video is for you. In today's video, I'm going to show you the exact fixes that are working in 2026 for DEKCO camera. So first of all, you need to try switching to the correct Wi-Fi band. Now DEKCO cameras only support the 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. So if your phone or router is using the 5 GHz, the camera will fail to connect. So you need to go to your router's settings, then separate the networks and connect only to the 2.4 GHz network. Now you need to simply check the setup distance. During pairing, simply keep the camera, phone and the router within 2 to 5 meters. If you try to connect from the far away, the setup may fail. Also, you need to focus on the indicator light behavior. If the light is blinking in the pairing mode, it means that the camera will not connect. So you need to do a proper reset by pressing and holding the reset button for about 10 seconds until the light changes. Then you can start the setup again. Another important fix is the QR code scanning. So make sure that your phone's brightness is high and hold it steady in front of the camera lens. Even small glare or angle issues can stop the camera from reading the code properly. Now, if you recently changed your Wi-Fi or your password, you just have to basically reconnect it properly. The DEKCO camera do not auto switch to the networks. So you must need to reset the camera and enter the new Wi-Fi details again from the scratch. Now, if you haven't updated your DEKCO mobile application, you may feel the connection related issues. So make sure that you open your camera application and check for any updates. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.